So we're just back really quickly. I've got the blank. I've put the gasket cement on it to hold it on. There was no stuffing around once we're underneath the truck. The gasket goo will go onto the block. I'll line this up, put the bolts on, just gently tighten it up, make sure that it fits across the hole properly. Then we'll be tightening it, and then we'll be able to start commissioning the electric fuel pump and hopefully getting the truck running on a more permanent basis. Make sure that all the vacuum lines and all the vacuum systems are working. They will be dismantled, but I'm still hoping to keep on the whole system and maybe even have a trailer with a vacuum brake system. But we still need the vacuum system for the rear diff, the 2-speed diff. So that's where we're up to, just a quick vid. Just let me get back to you and I will just show you from underneath the truck how we're all putting all this on. Alright, so there's the hole we're going to be blocking. This is the gasket that I just pulled off it as well, which is it won't be going back on, but yeah, no, it fits up to the size. Just going to give this a quick clean. It doesn't look like it needs much. Oh, sorry about the bad camera work again, but yeah, we'll line this up and I'll put some gasket cement on it and line up, and that'll keep it from leaking out. There you can see where all the oil's been coming out. So yeah, all right, let's get to it. Just a really quick update. The actual bolts weren't the right size. They were 9/16. These are the 1/2 inch. I just put on the plate. They'll hold. The gasket cement's going to seal it. They're not on super tight, but they'll hold. It's fixed the hole. And now we're on to putting the electric fuel pump through and having that run. So one thing at a time. Richie's garage.